Cooking, it's a feeling, and you don't grow unless you change and unless you absorb things. You know, you have to live in order to grow. I try to get out there, try new things, travel, meet new people so that I can be a better chef. Emily.
Kwame.
What's up?
Thank you for joining us today.
Of course, thank you for having me.
We've invited Kwame today to create 5 new recipes inspired by the Invesco QQQ ETF. An ETF is like a carton of eggs in which every egg is an individual company. You put it in a carton and you and I can trade it back and forth with incredible ease. QQQ is just a carton of 100 of the most innovative eggs in the world. And today we'll be showcasing Moderna, Lululemon, Kraft Heinz, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and DoorDash.
Curiosity relates to innovation because it makes you think. It makes you wonder, it makes you have awe. It doesn't allow you to be okay with the way things are. It's always like, how can I make something a little bit better? You know, I wanted to do something inspired by Moderna. Definitely something indicative of good health, but we needed to make it a little more innovative. So I thought of something that's typically for dessert. Like, how about we make it for breakfast?
I love dessert for breakfast.
We gotta start off the day right? You gotta start the day right.
Moderna innovated at an incredibly fast pace to help us all get back to normal. It's such an important part of our healthcare landscape and continues to push healthcare forward for all of us.
This dish is like a celebration for life. The best medicine is good food. And I think if you start your day off with this, you're setting yourself up for success. I set a coconut panna cotta. And I'm gonna build all of the flavors that you normally would have in your smoothie, but in a fun bowl that you can share with your family. I'm gonna take some acai and just really paint this. You can take whatever fruits that you love, and they're gonna look like they're floating on top. So this is like a health party in a bowl. Food is like one of the things that we can control in our lives. Use it as inspiration for your happiness for the day, and also your source of comfort. Sometimes you can't always be with the person that you love, but you can eat foods that remind you of them. If you take care of your body and you really think about what you're putting inside of it, you'll reap the benefits. We're breaking the rules of breakfast, one plate at a time. This is a simple chicken cacciatore with a coconut brown rice risotto and charred broccoli. You know, I think Lululemon made fitness fashion cool again. Things you can wear in the gym and outside of the gym that not only look good, but felt good at the same time. And I think that's what this dish does. You know, it looks good, it feels good, and it also tastes good. All of this fat is gonna flavor these vegetables. Now, your trainer is not gonna like this, but I'm sure deep down inside you don't like your trainer either. Deglaze with some red wine. Hopefully not get it on my shirt. Chicken breasts, yes, they can be boring, but I promise you these will not. When you think of workout food, it's generally bland. You're cooking in bulk for like 7 days out. I think people need to look at it a little bit differently. If your trainer asks, what'd you eat today? You can say chicken, brown rice, and broccoli. You might have left a couple things out, but they don't have to know that. I think the chicken's ready. Oh yeah, that looks good. You have to enjoy what you're eating, and I think food really is the barometer of how you're gonna feel for the day. I'm cooking what are the best bites in the ocean, inspired by Google. I think everybody is guilty of going to Google for any question that they have. What are the best bites in Oakland? What's the best fried chicken in Cleveland? So if I was to Google best bites in the ocean, this is what comes up in my mind. Hamachi, uni from Hokkaido, osetra caviar.
Google's become such an important part of our lives because it helps us discover the world around us. When we think about how we engage with our world now, we say, I'll Google it. That's something that truly shows innovation.
And you got some tuna dice. And you can have fun with this. You're pretty much creating a nice, beautiful mosaic. So this is different from a normal ceviche, I think, because it has like a lot of Caribbean flavors, but it also utilizes more than one type of fish. I use Google to find anything I need for the kitchen. That could be local purveyors, obscure ingredients. That could even be a technique every now and then. So in this sauce is caramelized carrot juice. You have lime, ginger, Scotch bonnet peppers. It's really, really bright and has a ton of flavor. You know, food can be what you make it. You can just throw it on the plate, that works too, but I like to take care in every step of the way. And I think that's what makes it innovative. Up next, we have kitchen cabinet chicken, inspired by Kraft Heinz. It's a classic Jamaican stewed chicken dish that uses ketchup as its main ingredient.
When you have a limited amount of ingredients, you're forced to be innovative. Taking something that you may have in your pantry, waving a magic wand over it, and then having something that is truly delicious.
So with this dish, I'm really innovating by making my own spices. Does it have acid? Does it have enough sweetness to it? Enough salt, enough fat? It looks burnt, but I promise you it's not. All of these brown bits are gonna add to the color of the sauce. I mean, it's called brown stew chicken, so you get the idea. You smell that in the air? That's the brown stew chicken. You smell it? Smells good to me. Stuff you can't buy. You really have to develop the flavor. And the ketchup is gonna add some sweetness, a little acidity.
Kraft Heinz is behind so many of the brands that we see in our day-to-day, from within restaurants to our own pantries and kitchens.
I think ketchup is America's favorite sauce, something that everybody knows and holds dear to their heart. So this is a way to kind of turn ketchup up and innovate it and bring your dish to the next level. When I think of DoorDash, I think of comfort foods, and that's what I use it for. To really enhance my day by giving me something that feels like a warm hug on a plate. I'm putting my own spin on the classic Halal Cart dish, chicken and lamb over rice. So this chicken is a 3-day process of brining, marinating, and then cooking. So it has flavor deep down, all the way to the bone. Really, really juicy. Growing up in the Bronx was like a kaleidoscope of culture. On a 4-block radius, you can have 20 different restaurants of 20 different cultures. And this is a dish that really reminds me of coming up as a chef in New York. Did not make a lot of money, and this was a $6 plate of food that you can barely finish.
DoorDash changed the restaurant industry and the way that we all eat. It brings our favorite restaurants into our homes.
Have you ever been to the Halal Carts? The hot sauce is hot. And then some white sauce. This acts as like a cooling agent, really creamy and rich. No, I mean, it comes in a little styrofoam package, lathered with white sauce and hot sauce. Yeah, you eat it directly out of that with a plastic fork. But this is a version, that you can make for someone that you love. Emily, where you at? I'm finished.
Wow, Kwame, this looks amazing.
Thank you. I had a lot of fun making all this food.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, where my crew at? Where y'all at?
Innovation is creativity and believing in that and getting that out into the world. It's scary doing something that's never been done before or hasn't been seen, like something that lived in your brain, then made it to a piece of paper, and then it's a physical thing. And that's always scary. In a good way, though.
I'm double dipping.
Double dip, double dip. This is one of my favorites right here.
Innovation doesn't happen in a vacuum. It happens with other people.
Wow.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.